This here is a Genie side-mounted garage door opener. The setup was really easy. Once you set this thing up, it comes with instructions to wire everything in. I just wired mine in like this. That's how easy it is to get the product and set it up yourself. Real quick, it does have a lock here that you install and connect it here. And inside of here, it does come with an emergency battery just in case the power goes out. It'll still work. One of the coolest things about this garage door opener is that it is Wi-Fi capable. So this light right here also is connected to my Wi-Fi. I got the sensors wired up here. And we got the second one here. You know that it's working. This one's green. And the other one, the light is red. Close garage door.
Okay, done. Send the request to close garage door.
I'm going to close right now. There it goes. So, as it's closing, let me just say it's as easy as that. Setting it up, I did it myself. Didn't need to hire anybody. The manual, the instructions were very straightforward. The process took me like about an hour to set everything up. And overall, I totally recommend you checking it out. And if anybody asks, just tell them that Vic said so.